Hey boys and girls, the Junkman here with the kind of video you ain't never seen me put out before. I've decided that every time I find something that's interesting or worthwhile posting about, I figure I'll make a video about it. And in this video, as you can see, I have a piggy bank jar. They're full of coins. Now, usually I throw these coins in a cup or something, but, I was trying to figure out a way. It's like, I'm going to have to count this crap one day if it ever gets full enough. And I wanted to make that easier to do than just spreading it out and either rolling it or doing something, even having the counting. I didn't even feel like doing that. So this is just change. Every day you come home, throw the change in the jar. Well, let me show you what I got here. Now, as you're looking at this, can you guess how much change is in here? Just right now, just stab at it. Take a stab at the number and how much you think is in there. So you got that number in your head right now? Go ahead, just come up with a number. We'll let you see how big it is again. So just come up with a number. And now, let me show you how much change is actually in here. So I'm gonna take you down to the digital display right here. And I'm gonna press one of these buttons. Look at that. There's 87 freaking dollars inside this thing. Look at this. That's $87 worth of change. That's freaking unreal. I thought maybe it was $20 or something. I didn't realize it was that much money in there. And the nice thing about it is, and let me show you this, it's counting the money as I put it in. So I'm gonna grab a penny and I'm gonna put the penny in there. I'm trying to do this and film at the same time. Watch what happens. It tells me I put in 1 cent and now it's 87.01. Now, you see the bar that's moving across. When I put the coin in, this little bar, you're gonna see it move. So it moves to the left as I'm pressing down, and then it returns once a coin goes in. And the distance that the coin moves is how it determines how much you've put in. So let me see here. Can I find 2 more pennies so I can make it easy for those of you who can't do math? Oh, y'all out of luck. Don't have no more pennies. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a dime. That should be relatively easy. That's gonna be 87.13. So here we go. Shows me 10 cents, 87.13. Hey, well, let's add another dime and see if we can make it 23. Here we go. 87.23. There it is, 10 cents, 23. Hey. Okay, so let's add a nickel. See what a nickel does. That's going to make it 27. So let's do that. 5 cents, 28. My bad, y'all. Here, I'm making fun of y'all and I'm messing up myself. 28. So this should take it to 32. Let's see if it takes it to 33. 33, there it is. See, y'all, correcting myself on my math. And then this should take it to 38. Another nickel. See, 5 cents, 38. So now let's see what happens if we add a quarter. Oh boy, what's that gonna be? 48.58, and then 5 from 58 or 258 is 63. So let's see here. So let's put that quarter in there. And look at that, 87.63. So this thing is keeping track of all my change. It really ain't that hard to put in there. I don't know why I have trouble with it. It's kind of hard to do this and film at the same time. But it's keeping track of all the change that I'm doing. And this way I know how much is in here. I don't know why I'm having trouble with the quarters. 25 cents? Look at that. Now, here's the nice thing about this. I mean, I'm using it. I find it very, very helpful for me. But imagine if you got this for your kids and you want to teach them about investing. What you can tell them is that after they reach a certain amount of money, you will give them a percentage of what they've already saved. So let's say they save $1 and you tell them, I will add 10 cents to every dollar you save. So they know if they save $10, they get $1. I think I'm doing my math right. So their $10 turns into $11. So the more that they save, the more that they will get, as a return when they bring it to you to redeem it. So you could use it. I mean, I'm using 10 cents and as an example, but you can reward them better if you wanted to. And you could use this to help teach them about investing their money. And they can watch their money grow as they add money to this thing. So I'm steady putting change in here. As you can see, it's counting up to $90.33. That was a dime, so that's 43. Here goes 53. And by the way, I got this on, of all places, the place where I do most of my shopping, Amazon, because I work from home for the most part. If I don't have to go out and do something like physically touch a computer or do a camera install or something like that. So I get packages delivered all the time. And the second they get delivered, the second somebody gets on my property, I get notified by one of my cameras. So I'm at the front door with a shotgun in case somebody's following the UPS truck around. I'm dying for that to happen, boy. I'm just waiting to try to snatch one of my packages. So let's see here. We are at 91.58. We got two more dimes here. Let's see here. And the last dime, which will take us up to 91.88. So there we are. Now, look how full this thing is. Not even full yet. Look at all that room I got left. You can get over $100 in here easy. Look at that. I got plenty of room left. And you can see how much it is. Plenty of room left. So I'm going to put a link to where I got it from on Amazon. But this is a great little change holder deal there. Because, I mean, I had cups everywhere of change, not realizing how much change I was coming home with every day. And now I know. So when I get this thing full, I'll take it someplace that'll give me the best bang for my buck, because there is an exchange rate involved unless I roll the coins myself. And we'll see what I can get for it. So just a helpful little video, just a little ideal for those of you who may have kids, a way to teach them about investing. A simple, little simple thing, for your 4 and 5 year olds, where they're going to get some change because they're going to rob you for it. But, it comes in handy. And for us grown folks, it gives us a place to put our change, and we can see how much change we end up with every day. That adds up kind of quick. So, again, simple little video. I'll put a link in the video description of where I got this bad boy on Amazon. Until then, boys and girls, this is the Junkman signing out.